This recipe for Scarecrow Crunch Snack Mix is fun to look at, fun to eat, and tastes delicious. It's the perfect combination of sweet and salty. Plus, it's ridiculously easy to make. Once mixed, this snack mix can be left out for casual munching or portioned out and given to family and friends. I use caramel corn, sweet Chex Mix, candy corn, candy pumpkins, Reese's Pieces, and mini peanut butter cups. I also added in a few mini pretzels. Add all your ingredients to a large bowl and stir. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.